Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to hyperlink a slide on PowerPoint. I'll show you this on Windows. First, click on the text, shape, or image that you want to turn into a hyperlink. You'll see selection handles appear around it. Those are the small boxes at the corners and edges that show it's selected. Once your object is selected, go up to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. In the Insert tab, look for the Link button and click on it. Then, from the drop-down, click Insert Link. This opens the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. In the Insert Hyperlink dialog, you'll see a sidebar on the left called Link To. Click on Place in this document. The right side of the dialog will update to show you a list of all the slides in your presentation. Now scroll through that list and click on the slide you want to link to. When you click it, it'll be highlighted so you know it's selected. PowerPoint automatically bookmarks every slide in your presentation, so they're all available as link targets. At the top of the dialog, you'll see a field called Text to Display. This controls what viewers actually see on your slide. If you want to change it from the default, just type your custom text in that field. There's also a screen tip button. If you click that, you can add text that appears when someone hovers over the link during your presentation. Both of these are optional. Once you're happy with everything, click the OK button at the bottom right of the dialog. The dialog will close and you're back on your slide. If your hyperlink is text, it'll now be underlined. If it's a shape or image, it'll look the same, but it's now clickable. Before you present, test your hyperlink to make sure it works. Press F5 to start your slideshow from the beginning, or Shift plus F5 to start from your current. Click the hyperlink and it should take you straight to the slide you selected. If you need to remove a hyperlink later, just right-click on it and select Remove Hyperlink from the menu. And one more thing, hyperlinks work differently depending on which mode you're in. In slideshow mode, just click them normally. But in normal editing view, you need to hold Control while clicking to follow the link. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.